So I just want to show you how to set up Exchange Server 2003 to use mkryptor as its default outbound gateway. Now this is a really simple process, there's just two short steps to it. So let's just dive straight in and get going. So first of all, you need to open up Exchange System Manager, expand the tree down to Global Settings and Internet Message Formats. Find your default domain, the one with star against it here, and just double click that to open the properties. We browse to the Advanced tab, and we just want to make sure that under Exchange Rich Text Format the Never Use option is ticked. Sometimes by default you've got this determined by individual user settings, but we definitely want Never Use. And this is a good idea whether you're using mkryptor or not, because there's so few clients out there that actually understand the Exchange Rich Text Format that you never really want to send anything outside of your domain using it. So yes, Never Use, and then we'll just click OK to save that. And next of all, we just need to configure the Outbound send connector, which is very simple again. So expand the tree down to connectors and find your default SMTP connector. Now you may have more than one of these, or it may be called something different, but it's whichever one is your default that we're interested in. It'll have an address space of star against it, so obviously I've only got one here, but if I open this up, right click on it, choose properties. Now if we look at the address space tab, we'll see that this has an address of star, so that means it's definitely our default route and is the send connector that we're interested in. So we go back to the general tab. Now all we need to do to tell Exchange Server to use mkryptor as its default outbound gateway is just check this forward all mail through this connector to the following smart hosts option. And then in the box we type either the fully qualified domain name or the IP address of our mkryptor service. Now if you're using an IP address, you have to enclose that in square brackets, which is what I'm going to do here. So let's type the IP address. So that's the IP address of my mkryptor service, and you'll see I've enclosed it in square brackets. Now if you have more than one mkryptor server to use for redundancy, you can actually list them all here. So you just put a semicolon and then the next server, and the third one, etc. However many you've got, and it will just go through those in order automatically. I've only got one, so that makes life simple. And then we just click OK to save that, and that's everything we need to do. Your Exchange server should now send all messages through the mkryptor service.